Okay, fellas, ladies and gentlemen, 2017 Range Rover Autobiography. Gonna show you how to lift this thing up on a 2-post lift with deployable electric side steps. First of all, you have to deactivate them. You do that by going right here and turn them on and off here, and we want them off. And then just turn your ignition back off, and I'm going to show you where to lift this thing up at. You'll see a part on your side skirt brackets, your side step brackets, that look just like this. And you're going to want these lift arms to be under this part right here. This is the hinge that it comes out on, and that is your jacking point. If you're going to use the scissor lift that comes with your car to change its tire, this is where you're going to lift it up as well, because it covers up these parts on the body when you have these side steps. This is your jacking point, and it is safe to jack your vehicle up on this, and you will, with a 2-post lift, you will put all 4 on each one. And that, my friends, is how you jack up a Range Rover with deployable side skirts. That's how it's done. Thanks for watching, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, have a nice day.